Razor. Today we are
back. We're finally building the PC, my PC that I've been talking about. It's evolved a lot. I don't know if you watched the little video I made a couple months ago on just like about it, but it's evolved a lot. I mean, I used to have an i5, it's now an i7. We got the SSD stuff. Laptop. Yeah. So we're just gonna talk about the parts a little bit. Obviously Intel Core i7 4790K processor, great processor. Yeah, you can show them. Kind of small box actually. It's 4790K. Base clock of 4 GHz. It can turbo to 4.4, and you can overclock it to 4.8. But I'm not going to be overclocking.
Here we have my motherboard.
Well, no, we
both
have the same ones.
It's the Gigabyte B85 HT3.
I saw this motherboard and I was in love with it because, I mean, on the back, there's so many features to it that just like fan controller built right in. You can get an app and everything to get fan controllers, everything. It's just really nice. Now, my graphics card, it is slightly outdated. It was actually came out in 2012. It's the EVGA version of the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 560 Ti. I got this for free. It's about $300 to $500 depending on where you get it from. This is the 2 GB version, and it's an older card, but it can run all of today's games basically at high to ultra settings at 1080p. We also have, my dad picked this up for me yesterday actually at Best Buy. Nice little Insignia PC toolkit, everything that we will need. All the screws, everything. So yeah, here we have
The mouse.
So, funny story. I bought right here for my keyboard and mouse combo the Cooler Master Storm Devastator combo. But yesterday I was testing out my laptop. Keyboard works fine. Mouse, LEDs light up, does not work. I will be sending it back soon to get a new one. A lot of people have the problem, but thankfully, guess who got me? It's my birthday soon. So guess who got me a nice, amazing Logitech mouse?
G602.
G602, yeah. So this is the case. It is the Senti Stealth Plus. It is, yeah, sorry. But it's got a lot of fans on it. It's got actually 3 120mm LED blue fans, one in the front and an 80mm in the back. So nice case, great cooling. It was very cheap. Sorry, I keep saying but
Yeah, you say a lot.
it was $40 on Amazon. So yeah. Now this is one of the many hard drives that will be in this build. It is actually it's slightly older SSD. It was one of the first ones. It's a Samsung 840 EVO, 250 GB, and it was actually in my laptop. Now, hopefully, I can install an operating system on it. I had Windows 10 on it on my laptop, but it was getting bogged down, so I decided today, you know what, I'm going to restore it to factory settings. Windows 10 didn't like that. It decided to corrupt my whole hard drive, so it's having lots of problems. Hopefully we can get it to work today.
Here we have the WD Blue 1TB hard drive spinning at 7,200 RPM.
Now, I want to talk about these, because this is amazing. So,
I know what that is.
Originally, there's no box, which I'm a little upset about, but originally for my RAM, I had picked out some G.Skill, I call it G.Skill, but the correct name is G.Skill. Ripjaws, 8 GB RAM, but I was like, you know what, I really want 16. So I went on eBay, looked for some good deals, and I found G.Skill Aries. It was actually from the 32 GB kit, but they're both 8 gig sticks, blue. They're in perfect condition, so I'm going to be very happy to have 16 gigs of RAM.
Then we have Rose wireless PCIe adapter.
No, I know the name without even looking. I memorized it. It's the RNX 250 PCE, right?
Oh, you're good.
Yeah. So this will boost my Wi-Fi connectivity a little bit. Other thing is, I already talked about it, Cooler Master Storm Devastator keyboard mouse combo. I'm only going to be using the keyboard. So, guys, I'll talk about these first. I originally ordered these SATA cables. They're 2 5-packs. They're just data cables, right? And then I had some SATA to Molex power cables, but they couldn't get 2-day shipping on them. And I ordered this stuff about a week ago, actually, but I wanted them quick.
That's some weird SATA cables.
I ordered 10 of these. These are actually really cool. They are a combo of data and power. So as you can see, I will turn this thing around to make sure that, you know, this right here. As you can see, it has power and data, and there's the data I can't see as I'm looking into the camera because it's mirrored, and there's the Molex right there.
Okay.
So we have lots of SATA cables.
And then
Last
I
thing,
have no idea what that is.
I have here, sit down, don't block the camera. I have in there actually already from a Dell Dimension 3000. I had an old, very old Windows XP desktop, and I had, well, I didn't. The disk drive from it is actually in my computer now, but it is an IDE instead of SATA. So I have these two. Hopefully they work. Hopefully. IDE to SATA converters, 2 of them, because I also have a 40 gigabyte IDE hard drive in there that has Windows XP on it.
So let's
yeah.
get started.
Let's get started, okay,
Let's
guys?
get started.
Let's get
We'll be
started.
back.
Okay, guys, we're back a little bit early. We forgot about a part. Back here in this crappy, no-brand box.
I'm gonna show up so I can just hold it.
Can you hold it? We have the Apevia CB ATX CB 700 watt power supply. This is a blue LED one by Apevia, but you know what? Apevia is too cool for boxes. Apevia is just too cool for boxes.
This is a nice power supply.
It is a very nice power supply. Nice blue fans. LED blue.
I'm gonna put one of those in my EVGA power supply.
Yep.
Go.
Okay, so
We'll be
we'll
back.
clean up a little bit and be back with the build. Okay, we're back, and first thing we're going to be doing is obviously getting the motherboard. We have our owner's manual and our I/O shield, which I'm going to put the box down here.
Alright guys, here we have the Gigabyte
Make sure you
B85 HD3 motherboard. I'll give you a zoom up here. Alright, so guys, anyway, we're going to start off with putting the CPU in so we don't have to...
Actually, I'm just going to put in the I/O shield first.
That was very bad, actually. Sorry if we're in the way.
Before you ever put a motherboard in, always put the I/O shield or the input-output shield.
What I'm going to do right now is move the camera right here so it's pointing directly in it.
Okay.
Here's the view, guys. We're going to put the I/O shield in right now.
Okay, so
Easy.
it goes this way, and it goes like...
It goes right in here. I know it does.
Which way? It goes like this, okay.
That's the power supply,
Obviously, and it just snaps in, correct? Yep. And guys, you want to apply force, not too much force, just to make sure...
Don't bend it.
Oh yeah, this one is a little bit bendy, but just to make sure everything's in, and yes, it looks like we have got everything in. Yeah, well, I'm gonna put that down, but we're good now. Okay, we will move the camera back again. Yeah. We're just taking off the back plate, guys, so we have access to our cable management.
Alright. Set that right back over here, and what we're going to do now... Let's
Is,
zoom in on this motherboard here.
Is
Dun, dun, dun,
yes.
dun.
Okay.
There we go.
We're going to put our CPU.
Let's see.
It's so hard to
want
put
me to
it.
hold it?
Yeah. Our CPU
Our
in the
CPU
motherboard
is going in.
So, let me open it up, guys. So again, this is the Intel i7 4790K processor. This is our CPU cooler. It is kind of hard to do this with it zoomed in so quickly. Where is the camera? Why am I pointing it that way? There we go.
I do not know.
I have no idea either. So you guys line up the processor.
Same process. Same motherboard.
And then you
put. This is my favorite part. I just want
and
to
it
do
just
this.
pops off. Wait, then you're blocking it. Oh no. Okay.
I got it.
Well, okay. So our processor's on, and then you just line it up with the little pins, and on your motherboard, and you just push down the pins. Uh-oh.
Now it's
Tyler, we probably should have thought about that a little bit better.
Yeah.
What? The thing's over here. We should have turned it. Can you just take it out, do you think?
Hopefully it reaches.
No, here. They're easy to take out. So to take off your cooler, if you completely screwed up and do it wrong, you just turn the way the arrows are facing, easily. Don't apply force or anything. I don't know why you would, but don't. Turns off, and should pop right off. Oh, there it goes. There we go. So get your CPU fan. Yep. Make sure it's turned the correct way. Okay, so now we have that in. Next, I'm going to put my RAM. Okay, guys, so here's our RAM.
So don't forget, guys, you got to put it in the same color.
Yes, it actually doesn't
Always.
matter. No, I mean,
Let's do gray.
Yeah,
Gray.
gray. So, yeah, you put on the first one. So always pop back these little clamps,
And then when you put it in,
you
should
gotta
snap.
apply some force. Not too much force, but just enough
There you go.
force to snap it in.
Yep.
So there's our RAM.
Next thing we're doing is trying it out.
Okay, guys, we're back. Anyway, this right here is our old monitor from Adele Dimension. We're going to be using it as our test monitor right now. So you always want to test out your motherboard and everything before you put any hard drives or anything in it, just to make sure everything's functioning properly with your RAM and your CPU installed, obviously. Okay. So with the power supply, there is lots of different connectors, but your main one is your 20 pin? Yeah, 20 pin.
Or your extension cord.
Your 24 pin technically goes right into your motherboard. So you want to apply with force till it snaps it in. Alright guys, we are back. So first, what you want to do to turn on your PC, even if you don't have, something connected, is you take a screwdriver, a small Phillips head ruler, and you find, although it is not easy to find on here, there's a motherboard. The motherboard manual. Read your motherboard manual. We'll be back in a second. You figure out which one is the power, and then you just tap them with the screwdriver. Turns it on. So, reset switch. Power switch is the first. These two. The two red. Okay, guys, we are back. Hopefully this works. You're working too well for you. Does this turn on? I think that was it. Boom. Okay, so as you can see, or you can't really see it, but spinning power supply and our CPU fan is spinning. So that means that
it's not beeping, so it's going.
Yes,
we're going good.
If your CPU's if your motherboard starts beeping, turn it off immediately. That is an error code.
That means your motherboard's about to explode.
Yes. Oh yes. So we are going to replace this normal ugly black LED black fan, 80mm fan in the back, with this amazing nice blue LED fan thing. Okay, so now we have this fan out. We are now going to put our motherboard in.
We are back, guys.
And we are going to be putting the motherboard in. So, we need 6 of the tiny screws.
Yes, I will line this up now. Perfect lined up.
Perfect. Did you get it in the IO shield correctly?
Yep, it's all in the IO shield, don't worry.
It's gonna push in when we start. Okay guys, so it's going to be hard to get in.
Alright, here we go.
But we're gonna manage it.
We're going in. Hello guys, we are back.
Sorry, we had very many problems with these screws, and
next we're putting in the power supply.
yes we are. Okay.
Does it go in upside down or which way?
Yes, I guess.
No, because the screws are. Hold on. Yes, it does. It
Okay.
goes in this
I was
way.
gonna say, why would they have a fan that faces nowhere? Oh God.
This is gonna be a
Bit of a cramped case. Okay.
Oh yeah, we got it.
Yeah, it's easy actually. Gonna pop this out.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, watch out.
Well, you're not bending it, but
Oh.
this our graphics card. This is 560 Ti.
Yep.
It's not too bad looking.
Is he yellow or is he green?
So it's these two, right?
Yes.
Yep. All right, let's pop them out.
Yes.
All right, then I'll screw it in for you. I know what it takes. It's gonna take this.
You need to pop out the clamp, right? Oh, it's already popped out. You already got that. Okay, guys, we're gonna speed up all this, putting everything in there. We're gonna do, actually no, let's do the hard drive first. It's actually kind of weird, the SSD holder in this thing, but Okay, so it's weird. I'm not positive on how they go. I'm pretty sure, yeah, they go like this. Oh, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. A and B. Oh, okay. One screws in here, ready? And then the other screws in like this. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Hello guys, we're back with the instruction manual. Okay, so
That's going that way. Wow. It's like this. And that means that. What? Oh, okay.
Look at how stupid this is, by the way. See this? You notice anything wrong with that picture? That's a fake. Why?
Pop out, right?
Yeah, why would they put...
Oh, wait. Oh, it doesn't pop out. It's plastic.
I know.
I thought there was 3 days.
So did I. I thought that till last night.
Screw it in?
Yes. Okay, stop. Don't screw them that much. I want to be able to, see now.
Yeah, Kai, you have enough space. Come on.
I'll figure it out. It's gonna be easy.
Don't put tape on it. That's so new.
You taped yours up.
Yeah, I taped that thing up so you wouldn't see the ugly blue light, and I took it off.
No, I mean you taped up your drive originally.
Well, because I was like ghetto back then, and I had a horrible case. I had a case that was cheaper than this thing. Alright, there's one more.
Now, I'm going to hook up the front panel connectors.
Just put it through there and then put them out here. See this? A lot better.
Yeah, no, it tells you,
Then we'll power it on.
In the manual it tells you, uh-oh. If not, we can finish with my dad's camera.
Uh-oh. Oh, they just reached. Where are they going to? Oh, USB. Okay, let me plug in USB first.
Let me get them untangled. I don't know if they're gonna reach like that time.
There's no color to be found. Took my heart, stole my dreams, told me I am a machine. I'm breaking out, I'm tired of this. How much more can we take? How much more can
3, 2, 1, go. Is it not plugged in?
Fighting for the real world.
Welcome to the real world.
Clean walls all around. There's no color to be found. Took my heart, stole my dreams. Told me I am a machine. I'm breaking out. I'm tired of this. How much more can we take? How much more can we take to live our lives in black and white? I'ma die fighting for the real world.
Welcome to the real world.
So guys, we have just finished the computer. Oh, that's
really
it.
grippy. My keyboard.
I like that.
Going to be installing Windows on my corrupted hard drive. That Windows 10 corrupted.
But first,
we're going to unbox.
woo! Here's the birthday present from me. 'Cause, you know, I'm just amazing. I bought him.
Logitech G602, and it looks amazing.
I told you I'd take that. Yes.
So the box is pretty cool. Nice view of it. I'm gonna be keeping this box for all eternity.
So sexy.
Yes. Okay, so let's open it up. Is this how it opens?
I do not know.
No, it's not.
I want to open it without ripping it.
Yeah, that's what I'm
That's
trying
the
to
thing.
do.
I think up here or something. That's cool. You can just use that as like a little thing to put stuff in.
So here's the mouse.
This
Awesome
thing
mouse.
is so sweet.
Let's open up this awesome thing. Look at how that's packaged. That's really cool. The wires.
Got it.
This is the charging cable, I presume. Right? Oh no, this is the adapter for it, apparently.
Oh, you can have it wired or wireless.
No. This is for this. Look at.
Yes, it is.
Get all this.
Holy shit, that thing is sweet. I'm jealous.
Feels
There's a look at
nice.
the mouse.
There's so many buttons on the
Let
side.
me see it. I just want to feel it. Set it down.
11 buttons you can customize. Okay, so it was already set to on, so I don't know if it's dead or not. I don't know if
Oh
it's
my
dead or
God.
not because it was already set to on. And the batteries, there's batteries in it. 2 AA's.
This thing is so nice.
This is the wireless receiver thing. So let me plug this into here.
I wonder what.
Alright, so this is the mouse, guys. In a second, or in like an hour, once we actually get this PC running, I'll have a review of it. Okay, guys, see you then.
The first boot of the computer is a success.
Although-
Today's date is something.
Although we have to restart, to get to the boot menu.
Fans are very slow.
Okay, wait, boot menu is F12. Old-fashioned IVU disk drive.
It doesn't say disk drive there.
I just said it.
Okay, it doesn't say disk drive there.
First, it should say DVD.
That might be it, the ST. That's gonna have to be it, unless it's just another.
Seagate.
The disk drive isn't working. No.
You just gotta plug it.
You gotta take this part again. Guys, I'll be back.
Breaking in, shaping up, then checking out on the prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa.
Make the ground shake.